Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a great week. As you can see, I'm in the bathroom, so you all know what that means. No, not that. No. Come on, really? No, I gotta wash my beard. That's what it means. It's like two things when I do these videos. It's either I gotta wash my beard or I'm putting something in my hair. Come on. Hey, what's up, guys? So, like I said in my little intro there, I've got a beard wash to review tonight, and the beard wash comes from the Angry Beard Company, and it is called their Rage Wash. So first of all, I love the name of this product, Rage Wash. I don't know why, it's one of the best names I've heard for a beard wash. So real quick here, let's get into the packaging. All right, it's got an amber bottle, all right, with a black top, and it's just got the little click it, you know, little spout right there. You just turn it over, and your product comes out. All right, and we'll get into the ingredients now. So here's one thing I absolutely love about this product, okay? The way this bottle is, it lets you see this, but is based on the what I'm reading here on the label, it is 100% natural ingredients. We have argan oil, castor oil. Remember, I love castor oil, freaking love it, all right? Jojoba oil, peppermint, tea tree, and other essential oils. This is a very minty beard wash, okay? Now, something, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it pretty well there. You can see it's really light right here, and then it gets dark, okay? That's not the bottle is a consistent color. That's the product, and I like that, okay? I really do, I like that because I just read you those ingredients. I didn't hear any like soap ingredients or things that you would associate with soap necessarily. Soap does have oils in it, but I didn't see anything listed there. So this looks like to me that it's 100%, it's like all those oils. There could be some other ingredients in here, I'm not sure. And then something else on this packaging here too, our products never contain chemicals or preservatives, so shake well. So I'm going to give this a shake, but you can see it separates. So like I said, that's a good sign. To me, that is a sign you're definitely using all oils in here, because it does separate, okay? Like I said, it does have a sudsing action though, so that's where I don't know if there's just something that may have gotten missed on the labeling, but that's, again, I'm a lay person when it comes to making these things. I just review them and tell you if I like them or not, right? So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shake, okay? And you can see the color probably evened out just a little bit more. Let me wet my beard here, and I learned from the last time that I should get my water going before I start filming, so I did. And it's a lot more comfortable for me to do this now. So just, you hang on just a second, alright? Alright, so got my beard wet. We'll get into the product now, okay? So, as far as, I'm going to just open up, let you know how it smells first. So, I will tell you guys, so I read tea tree, peppermint, and there was other essential oils. This is one of the best smelling mint beard washes I have ever used. I love the way this smells. It is super invigorating. It's got this like almost chill to the scent, and I'm digging it because one of the first type of beard oil I ever used was a mint scented beard oil, and that kind of had me hooked into this whole beard thing, and that's why this is kind of reminiscent for me. So I absolutely love the way this smells. It's super like minty, invigorating. It has like, it's so minty and everything. Like I said, it almost feels like there's a chill in the scent. Like it almost brings the temperature down. That's kind of, it's so nice. I really love it. So my only critique on this, and it's hard for me to show you, but this is, it's runny. It's a little runny, okay? I wish it was just a little thicker, just for handling purposes. So it's just a little runny, but it doesn't really affect the performance at all. This does perform, I really do feel this performs very well. So we just get it going in our hands, and you can see, like, it starts working right away. That was just me rubbing my hands just that little bit. And we'll just go ahead and, oh my gosh, guys, this is so, like, the mint. It's just like this cloud of, like, feels like a cloud of snowflakes right here. It's just great. It's like, you know, I love the way this is so, it's just so energizing. When you use this in the shower and you got steam around you, it is, like, way better. Okay, so, like I said, it's oil-based. So, I don't know, you can see it suds a little bit there, and I'm using this out of the shower, so my beard would have been a lot, you know, little wetter. I'm going to add a little bit more here. Okay. There we go. You can see it suds up. Okay, it goes away pretty quick though. All right. Let me go ahead and get. Ow, dang it! I left the water running and it's hot. I'm gonna work with these burns, and then I'm gonna rinse my beard out. Hang on. All right, so all rinsed out. It rinses out real easy, and I gotta tell you, there's almost like a slight cooling effect that it gives, and it just, my beard feels nice and light. I can definitely tell it got the product out of my beard. That's what you want. You want to just kind of cleanse your beard for a minute, let it rest for a little while, and then get some beard oil back into it. I wash my face every day, so it kind of gets it gets clean a little bit anyways, but like a deep clean like I just did here, I probably do it 2-3 times a week. Every time I work out, when I've actually been sweating or if I've been doing something outside where I've been real dirty, that's when I'll clean my beard. But this stuff works great. I really do like it. It's probably one of my favorites as far as beard washes go right now. It just, like I said, I enjoy this one. This one's great. So guys, link down below to the Angry Beard Company. Check them out. I think they got this in a bundle or two. Looks pretty cool. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you all have a great week. Take care.